Hi everyone, Narendra here. In last few sessions, I have explained about string buffer and string builder. In this session, let's understand few important program in string. Okay, you will go to any of the interview, they will ask string coding program. So in this session, I will explain one very important coding program, that is reverse of a string. For example, we are having a string like string str equal to Java, and I wanted to reverse it. So the output will be A V A J, something like this. You see, this Java will be stored like this, right? This is J, this is A, this is V, this is A. This is zeroth index, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So if you check the length of this whole string, it will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyways, if you wanted to, this is length actually. If we wanted to print from last index to first index, if we'll print like this, if we'll if we'll print like this anyways, then we'll get the reverse. Okay, so how to get this last index? Okay, there is multiple ways we can write a string reverse program. Okay, I will tell you. So there is a way we can convert the string to a character array, and in that we will print that character array from the last index. Okay, and last index to zeroth index. That is also possible by using a two char array, and this is by using two char array we can write like this. We are having one more way, that is no need to convert this string to character array. We can call a method char at. Okay, and we'll pass the index, the last index. Okay, here the last index, first we'll pass 3, then 2, then 1, then 0, then it will print A B A J, something like that. Okay, this is two way. And third way, we can use our predefined class reverse method of string buffer. And fourth way, reverse method also there in by using string builder. Okay, but they will not allow, interview will not allow to use the string buffer reverse method or string builder reverse method. They will ask you write some logic in your own logic. It is, don't use your existing methods. Okay, let's see the coding. Okay, so what I will do, I will create a program for you. I will say the class name is demo, and let me create a main method here. So don't write the logic here. Okay, let's say string str equal to Java. Okay, the better way to answer, always you create a separate method and write the logic there and return that method to here. That is the best way. So let's say my method is my string reverse, any name you can give, or my string reverse. This is the method, and you pass that method here. You call the method and pass the original string, and that method will take that original string and reverse it. Then let me hold, after reversing it will return that string, a reverse string, and that string you print here. So this is the best way. Don't try to write the logic here, it is not standard coding. Okay, so if you'll see, we need to create a separate method. You create a separate method. It is a private method present in the demo class, and you see the return type is string. It is static, means no need to create object, we can directly call. Directly we are calling here. Then what we need to do, we have passed that original string and we are receiving here. You write the logic here. So as I told, str dot to char array, if you will do, it will return a character array. So you see, it is returning a character array. So hold that character array in a reference or variable, any name you can say. I will say char array equal to, and we need to, by using a loop, I will use here for loop, int I equal to, I will say char array dot length. So that char array dot length, if we'll say dot length, it will return 4, but we wanted to visit from last index, that is 3. So length minus 1 I will do, and I greater than equal to 0, 3 greater than equal to 0, true. Then you say I minus minus. So first time it will pass 3, then it will decrease to 2, then 1, then 0, like that. So then what you will do, I will take a temporary variable here, string temp equal to, I will initialize blank, nothing. So I will keep on adding temp equal to temp plus char array of I. So initially it will be 3, then it will decrease to 2, and it will keep on add, and finally I will return this temp. This is temporary string. This is the reverse actually. I will say, okay, this is reverse. Any name you can give. I will say reverse string. So it is the better name. Let me give that. Okay. So it can return. You see, if you pass Java and if you run now, it is returning the reverse. If you pass Naren Java helpline, it is returning it the reverse. Okay. So you see, this is a performance issue. As I told in my previous session, each time you are trying to modify here, you see each modification of a string object, it is creating a new object. This is your performance issue. So instead of string, you will use string buffer object. Okay, because string buffer, it is better way. Okay, so you create a string buffer object and use that. Okay, and there is no plus symbol in string buffer object, so we need to use append method. Okay, if you use append method, so it will append. Okay, this is, okay, you see here our return type is string. We are trying to return a string buffer, but our return type is string, and here we are catching as a string, so you need to convert to string. Okay, so now you pass, if I'll say Dilip, it will be reversed, you see. So this is the best program, so no need to do this conversion. Okay, there is another method will make use of it. That method is char at, and will pass the index. So here I will check the str dot length, that is the string length. The method will be like this is the syntax, but character length will be only length, but here you need to provide that parenthesis. So here there is a method called char at. Okay, if you call that str dot char at, so what it will give, you are providing the index, we are providing 3, then it is taking that index and finding the corresponding character, then we are decreasing to 2 1 0, like that. So there is a method char at. Okay, so here some spelling mistake, char, char at. Okay, wait, let me check, str dot char at. Okay, the index will pass like this, it is a method. Okay, so you see now also giving, if I'll say Narendra, it is giving result, right? This is second way actually. Okay, without converting this character array, directly we can using that caret and we can do it. So no need to do this conversion. If you use that predefined method, so what I will do, I will write that original string str. Okay, dot reverse method will call, this is string. If you wanted to call that reverse method, that reverse method present in string buffer class, so we'll create like this, string buffer sb equal to new string buffer, and you will pass that str, and this sb dot reverse, you will say sb dot reverse. And you see, we are reversing, we are returning a string buffer object, but we are, the return type is string. We need to once again convert to string, you see, this is also will give the expected result. It is able to reverse it like this. If you use string builder also, it will work. Okay, if you use string builder also, it will work, because that reverse method, it is present in string buffer and string builder. Okay, you see, it is giving the expected result. So the four ways I explained, there is other ways also there. They will ask, write a string reverse program by using Java 8 coding, that is Java Lambda expression or stream API. That I will show you in a separate session, otherwise video will be lengthy. If you really got something from this video, please like this video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe this channel. Okay, it will be motivate me to create a new video for you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please let me know in a comment section. I will respond it. Okay.